What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel for another video. I hope you guys are doing great. Today is just a quick video of my new Joez CatBack exhaust that I finally found after 2 years. And happy new year. Like I said, I hope you guys are doing great. IS350 GX460, and now we have the new Joez exhaust. So if you're an OG to the channel, you know that at first I wanted the Joez exhaust, but I couldn't find them. They were out of stock, so I went with the NVIDIA exhaust, and then like the whole CatBack. So, and then after a few months they back in stock, and then I was thinking of getting them, and I wait, and then by the time I said okay I will get them, they went out of stock again. And then after I contacted MAD in Japan, they told me that they're not gonna make them at all anymore because the company went out of business. And then last week on Facebook, I found a guy who has this from his car from Nevada. So these exhausts only have about 7,000 miles on it. So I talked to him, and then I showed him a price, and he said yeah. And then the only thing I had to do is pay for the shipping, and now it's here. So pretty much next week I will install it in the car, and then my NVIDIA CatBack exhaust will be for sale. So if anyone wants to buy it from me, just let me know. So let me go ahead and show you the exhaust. This is it, the axle back. As you can see here, it says PTS Performance Tube Systems, and you got some chrome tip as well, but it seems like you can remove these. So if I can, I may actually buy some carbon fiber ones instead of those chrome ones. But I like the chrome, don't get me wrong, but if I can remove these, I will. So this one is a true CatBack exhaust. As you can see here, that's the mate pipe here. It's still wrapped up, so I haven't even unwrapped it yet because I just got the exhaust. And then this right here is the rest of the exhaust. So I cannot wait to put this on. So yeah, I am excited. The NVIDIA, I like it. I mean, I love how it sounds, but I always wanted to put this one on. So now that I finally found it, I can't wait to install it. So I'm gonna try to install this myself. I hate jack stands, and I'm trying to buy a leaf, but they like $3,000, so it's just something I have to buy later. I wish I had one already, because to install this, the jack is too low, so it's just a pain and the butt to do that. So if I really feel like it, I will do it myself, but if not, I will take it to a shop and have it done. So yeah, Performance Tube Systems, this is I can't wait to install this and to see how it sounds compared to the NVIDIA exhaust. And I think tomorrow I will clean it and apply ceramic coat on it, just like I did with the NVIDIA CatBack exhaust. So yeah, that's the exhaust, the Joez CatBack exhaust. So you just a quick video just to show you that the exhaust. But next week I will install it in the car, and yeah, I cannot wait. And next week maybe I will have another car on the channel. It's not the Supra yet, because this, like I said before, this Supra that I really want, it's hard to find, plus the markups and all that. So I'm just gonna wait until I found one. But that car is just a cheap car that I sold the Honda, so I only have just one car in the GX460. But this car is a car that I always wanted. Actually, I wanted this car more than the IS350 until I test drive the IS350, and then I fell in love with the IS350 after I test drove it. But this car, for the price, there's some maintenance I have to do, but after that I think I should be fine. So I will go see the car one more time, and if the deal go through, I will buy the car. So stay tuned. Alright guys, this is it. Was just a short video just to show you guys the exhaust, and I hope you guys are having a great new year so far, and have a great day, a good night, and I will see you guys in the next one. Perfect.